Question number 11 of the PhilNITS FE morning portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is the design for securing safety and reliability, known as foolproof? Okay, the correct answer is letter B, and I was also able to choose the correct answer, although I did think about letters C and D in particular, but eventually I chose B, and we also want to know how I arrived with the answer. And I think the idea that a user performs an incorrect operation where the problem is not created in the system, even though the user makes a mistake, performs an incorrect operation. I think because we have the word fool in the description or in the question, then I thought that it would mean that if the user doesn't know what he's doing, it should not create a problem that the system would not function or something like that. If we look at letters C and D, what its main idea, what their main idea is that if there's a device failure, then we want to minimize, we want to reduce any problems, further problems that would occur. For example, in C, damage can be minimized by enabling the system to stop safely. And for letter D, the system runs even if the usable functions are restricted and the processing efficiency is reduced. Okay. Um, a couple of things too that I'd like to add. As much as possible, we don't want to stop the system. Of course, if we really need to stop it, then we'll stop it safely. But the idea that if you're running a server, we want to keep the server running, uh, and stopping it because there's a problem, I think, is one of those cases that tell us that there's something wrong with your design, with your system plan. For letter D, it says that there would be a restriction in the usable functions and the efficiency would be reduced. Okay. What about letter A? Why did I choose to disregard immediately letter A? I think it was because of the words duplication and redundant configuration. I didn't really mind too much this part, device failure. Not unlike the sentences, the statements in CNT, because I thought that redundant configuration, duplication, um, sounds more of backup, and really foolproof made me think about fools making mistakes and misusing the system. Okay, so in the end, the correct answer is letter